The fog often comes into your life only for a few moments. Its purpose is to hone your skills. And it teaches you to focus. Instills a sense of purpose and disappears somewhere. It makes everything clear to you. Fog does not come to bother you every time. If it does not appear, we will not understand the difference between blurred and transparent views. So, to understand the difference between hazy and clear vision, we need mist. An example of a great teacher is found in nature. It teaches us a lot by bumping into us like a teacher in its own way. Sometimes, even after you reach your destination, you get fog. So, on such occasions, you realize that this is not your destination. Rather, it is one of the paths leading to your destination, which you mistakenly thought to be the destination. Learn something from this point. Enjoy it. Slow down and stay for a short rest. Appreciate the view, and once again gather the courage to move towards your goal.